Girl, you have guts. You have big guts.
Thank you. Yeah.
Let's get a high five for that.
Wala akong paki.
Hi, how are you?
Have a seat.
Thank you.
So, I wanted to ask why you put, I'm making no apology for being an immigrant. Could you tell me something about yourself and the statement that you wrote?
Yeah, sure. So I was born in South Africa and I left there at 17 to come to America to get a degree because there wasn't really an opportunity for me to get, there's not art. So I decided to move out at 17.
Girl, you have guts. You have big guts.
Thank you, yeah. I'd never been to America, didn't know anything about where I was going. My first language was Afrikaans, it wasn't even English, so...
Culture shock.
Oh yeah, having electricity and being in places like this and running water.
Yes.
And I feel like for the last while, immigrants have gotten like a lot of slack, wherein in reality we work so hard to stay in a place that we find is now my new home. This has now become home. Like, I still love South Africa and I always will, but...
Exactly.
Yeah, and every time I go through customs and they see my passport is South African, then I'm stopped for like 35 minutes. They're constantly questioning me. I've been pulled aside, I've been done random searched. Like, it's just been so much. And so I feel like I'm working hard to stay where I am and to get my degree. I'm the first person in my family with a degree.
Congratulations.
Thank you. First person who went to college. Like, it's all firsts, and my family sacrificed. My dad moved to Dubai.
Dubai?
Yeah.
From Africa?
From South Africa, to get another job so he could pay for my studies in America, for my university.
Right.
And so like our family was split up over 3 different continents, and I saw my mom like once a year when I was...
Once a year?
Yeah, for my 18th birthday, I was completely alone in America. So like it was so hard, but it also made me the person I am. And I feel like if I wasn't an immigrant, I would be a completely different person and I wouldn't appreciate everything I'm given.
That reminds me of my childhood. I grew up in the Philippines, in Cebu City to be specific, and I've been separated by my parents for about a good 10 years. But of course we had the internet, we talk on the phone, but it's different, you know? For example, when I go to church, I see perfect families together.
Yeah.
Happy families together, and then I'm just with my brother, and it was sad growing up, so I understand what you went through as well. Let's get a high five for that.
Yeah.
We are strong, and
we're strong, independent
look
foreigners.
where we are now.
Right?
Who is your role model?
Well, one of them is obviously my mom.
Yes.
Yeah.
Moms are always the first.
Always. I mean, she grew up with nothing, worked super hard so that we could have the childhood that she never had. My acting icon is Meryl Streep, because she was told for years and years that she wasn't going to make it because she wasn't the ideal beauty standard. Yeah.
But I think being different can make a difference.
Michelle Obama. I know that's a random one too, but...
No, that's not random at all. I love her confidence and her intelligence.
It's like she commands attention just by opening her mouth. She like says hello and you look at her because you're like, who's this powerful president? Oh my god, yeah. No, I love Michelle Obama.
I like Michelle too. I like Oprah. From her tedious history, her past. She's been through a lot of drama. It's kind of like a movie. If you had any advice to the youth about being true to yourself, what would that be? And why?
Block out everyone and everything that constantly puts you down and tells you you can't do it. The amount of times I was told I'll never move to America, I'll never know what it's like to act, I'll never get a degree in acting because it's not a thing, or I'm not a hard enough worker to get there. It's honestly just block it out. You don't need it. Work for what you want to be and be true to what you know is you. Being an immigrant has made me work harder for everything because I know not everything's guaranteed. Like, I could be sent back tomorrow and have nothing. So like, just the pressure to work harder and to be grateful for everything you're given is something I'll never apologize for.
Wala akong paki.